Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about product details optimization. Product detail optimization is a fundamental practice in e-commerce and online retail. It involves enhancing the information and attributes associated with your products to make them more appealing and informative to the potential customers. So here you can see you can add this feature in your product page. It's working here. Here I have already added the product details as merchant center delays this process. So here I am on my Google Shopping. Let me show you with the help of this example. He has just wrote a description and added those requirements. As we know, the more data we provide to Google, the more chances are there to get converted. You can see it has also provided the highlights, and here is the product details. This is how it looks like. It is getting prominent. You can see your listings and ads will get prominent, and it is known by the Google's algorithm. So basically we have to fight with it. For a digital marketer, it is quite easy to fight with the Google's algorithm. The more data we add, the more chances are there to get converted. Let me refresh this product in my merchant center in which I have made the changes. So here we go. It shows the product details over here. It is just a dummy store for making tutorials. If you are running on behalf of your clients, make sure you must have the understanding of the merchant center. After that, you should move towards the ads. So basically, effective product details optimization not only helps to attract and engage potential customer, but also improve the chances of converting visitors into buyers. It is an ongoing process that requires monitoring, analysis, and adjustment to stay competitive in the online marketplace. I hope you have got the idea that how can you set up your product details. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.